Okay, welcome back. It's weather time, and some snow on tap for Saturday and Sunday. We are not looking at a snowstorm, but we are looking at some snow as early as about 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Rolling in are some of these light snow showers. And, these temperatures are going to be cold. They're going to be in the upper teens to around 20 degrees, the lower 20s. So anything that does flutter on down in terms of these snowflakes, it will be collecting. It's not going to melt, and we can fluff up about an inch, inch and a half, maybe 2 inches through tomorrow morning and early afternoon. So be aware of that. Not a tremendous depth of snow out there, but enough to cause slippery travel, certainly. And you're going to want to take heed of that if you're out early on a Saturday morning. That would be tomorrow, of course, 19 degrees. We do have in GR at last check. Our peak temperature today got to 22 just a few hours ago, so we are descending at this point, and we'll drop it down to about 11 to 12 degrees, 13 somewhere in there. It'll all hinge on when these high clouds start to thicken up to the point to, stymie the drop off with the temperatures. And I think we get down to about 12 degrees or so early in the overnight, level off, start to rise towards daybreak. By the time the snow commences there around 6, 7 a.m., we'll be back into the upper teens at that point. South winds at about 5 to 7 or 8 miles per hour. It's not real windy out there, but any light breeze knocking the wind chills down to about 10 degrees. That's cold. Yeah, by anyone's standards. We've had worse this time of year, and we will have worse. Take note of that. We will have worse in this 7-day. We'll get to those numbers momentarily. Light snow develops on Saturday morning, 6, 7 a.m. here in GR. It'll carry into the early afternoon. We pick up an inch, inch and a half. Maybe 2 inches of snow, something like that. Very fluffy snow. Disturbance number 2 sliding just to our south Sunday morning. That'll be early Sunday morning. Following the track of this one very closely, models tending to come a little bit further northward. So the band of snow from northern Illinois down into northern Indiana, that may edge into our southern communities here. I think we even get a dusting, a coating or so in Grand Rapids, maybe a couple inches along I-94. Keep tabs on that Sunday morning system, and then an even stronger system. Not a massive one, though, but the strongest of the trio there arriving on Monday morning. Just in time for you to head off to work. We may pick up 2, 3, maybe 4 inches of snow out of that one. Temperatures down into the tank in coming days. And right here, this is definitely the tank. 18 and 15 with wind chills. It'll be sub-zero at times. We've got cold air that is locked in, and there may in fact be, if this European model verifies, another surge of frigid air into that following weekend. I know I hate to tell you that, but it is a possibility, so we'll see how that goes. Temperatures slowly descending in the hours ahead, get down to about 11 or 12 or 13 somewhere there, level off, rise deep into the overnight. Here we go. Let's take it out right now. Clear skies, a few clouds along the lakeshore. Yes, I'm aware of that. Clouds thickening up here 2, 3 a.m. and then rapidly lowering and thickening towards 5, 6, 7 a.m. That's when light snow gets in here. Can lower visibilities. It'll be coming down fairly decently there for a short stretch through the morning. We pick up this inch to 2 inches. Even some flurries into the afternoon. There's this fetch off of Lake Michigan, northwest and west winds. It's not super cold there tomorrow afternoon and evening, so it's not going to be tremendous lake effect, but still some flurries around into the evening. And then the next disturbance off this graph model wants to go to the south. Other models a little bit further northward. Anyhow, there will be a little lake effect contribution. So I think another dusting or coating certainly early Sunday morning. That'll wind down whatever we get into the afternoon. Again, there could be a couple inches I-94 and southward, so stay tuned on that Sunday. And then the next system for Monday, let's go to the wider scope off the European model here. That comes diving southward through Minnesota and Wisconsin, and that'll arrive, I would think, early morning Monday. Yeah, Monday with 2 to 4 inches of snow as it stands right now. So stay tuned on that. Along the lakeshore, could even get a little bit more than that. That'll kick on through. Northwest winds behind that system. Frigid winds bringing in lake effect. So additional local accumulations along the lakeshore as we go through Tuesday into Wednesday. Future snowfall through the weekend. There it is, about an inch, 2 inches, perhaps a little more. Max and Janice along the immediate shoreline. It's cold right on through. Teens, there it is by Tuesday, Wednesday.
All right, Anthony, thank you. Comedian and actor